Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you a couple of different ways on how to fix your data if for some reason it's just not working on your iPhone. Now this can happen for 50 billion different reasons, but I would recommend verifying and making sure that first of all you have a data plan on your phone. If you don't even have a SIM card into your device, then your data or your mobile data is not going to work. So you definitely want to figure that out. Now if that's all good and you know and verify that you have a data plan and all that stuff, the first thing I would recommend doing is hopping over into your control center like here and making sure you're not on airplane mode. There could be times where you're on airplane mode, but you can still access Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and stuff. It just so happens that your data is not going to work. So you want to make sure that you're not on airplane mode and that your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and this little green cellular little icon is on. Now, if your airplane mode is off, like I said before, it's extremely important that your mobile data is on. So right here where it says cellular data, you want to make sure that's green. If this is off, if it looks like this, then that means everything else will work. Your Wi-Fi is going to work, AirDrop, you can still make calls and I think get messages, but your data will not work. So you will have to make sure that this is enabled. I think that's probably the number one reason why your mobile data on your iPhone is just not working. It mostly has to rely on this specific little thing right here. Now, for some reason it's not working and you're verifying that your mobile data plan is on and that specific green icon is on, well, what I would recommend doing is restarting your phone as of this point. So hold up the volume up button and the power button or the side button right here, and you want to slide to power off. Then you want to just, fully boot your phone back on. And most probably that should end up fixing the issue. If for some reason that actually didn't end up fixing the issue either, then this is the next thing you have to do. I guarantee you it's probably a software issue. So what you want to do at this point is you want to make your way over to the settings app. You want to click general. You want to click software update, and you want to make sure that you're up to date to one of the more recent versions of iOS. If for some reason you're on a super outdated version of software, there could have been a problem with that software. Also, if you are installing a beta, most probably, I'll tell you this right now, most betas have issues. There's probably going to be an issue with yours. So don't be surprised if the mobile data doesn't work, if you don't get phone calls and stuff, because that's a very common problem with betas. So what I would recommend doing is making sure you're not on a beta and you're on the official version, but also that you're on a more recent version of software. So I'd recommend going here, if there's an update available, update to it, and most probably that should end up fixing the mobile data issues. If that still doesn't work, I'd recommend going into your SIM card slot, which is on the side of your phone here. If you have another phone, I have a ton of tutorials and videos on where the SIM card slots are. You want to eject your SIM card, put it in, restart your phone, and that should end up fixing your issues. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.